Up guys, today we are going to be making some carne asada tacos with some delicious guac to go with it. It's going to be so good. Here I am starting my fire. I'm not doing it on wood fire today because we want a really good char from the grill. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my second attempt at doing this because the first time I tried to make this steak, it wasn't that great. And it's not that I'm not a great cook. It's just, it was a little difficult on the wood fire. So today I'm going to try doing it on the grill. I'm probably never going to show you guys the other episode because this wasn't it. So here I have some soy sauce. And I'm going to do a third of a cup of olive oil. So here I have a grating plate. And all you have to do is just really go in, use your arm muscles. Right now. And it kind of takes a minute, but just trust this. Now that we have our little mushy little garlic paste, I'm gonna take this brush here, pop all that garlic in. I love how fresh garlic smells. And we're just gonna take a whole lime. I'm gonna squeeze that right into our mixture. The smells today are just so good. I love how fresh lime smells. It's just so fresh. Maybe it makes me think of drinking tequila. I don't know. You know what? It is that. And I had a margarita last night, so that's exactly what I'm thinking of right now. We're also going to do a whole orange, a fresh orange. I'm actually growing oranges in my backyard. I've successfully grown lemons, which is very exciting. And I'm working on my oranges. Just want to squeeze that in. And try a little. So good. Just squeeze it in. And same thing. Ah, it's so juicy. And then in here I have salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, and then Luisa sazon because I don't use regular sazon. I don't like that red 40 colors. It's just not good for you. Just gonna cut up this jalapeno and just try to do thin slices. Ah! And then we're just gonna take this whole thing and put it right in our mixture and give that a quick whisk. Ooh, that's pretty. Smells so good. Okay. And then I have some fresh cilantro here. You just want just like a handful. Break it up a little bit. Put it into that mixture. Go ahead and mix that in. And here we have our delicious marinade, and we're going to put that right on the steak. Right here I have a gorgeous Wagyu steak. Dirt steak is perfect for these tacos, and you really want to massage your meat and get all that flavoring because we're going to marinate this overnight or all day as long as you can. The longer the better. And you just want to kind of massage this in for a couple minutes. Go ahead and cover this with plastic wrap and then leave that in the fridge. After 24 hours, we can start grilling our steak. while that meat's cooking, here's a little bikini of the day. You guys said you really wanted to see me in green. Also, my hair's gonna progressively get worse throughout this video because it was already 100 degrees outside, plus the grill. So don't say anything, please. Next, we have to make some guacamole because nothing is better than steak and some tortillas. Just need some color in it, and there's nothing better than guacamole. So we're just gonna open our two. Ooh, picked really good avocados. So that's a plus. Sometimes I have trouble picking a really good avocado. Either it's not ready at all or it's just mush. So open those up, and I just kind of like, okay, it's not working. I just take out the avocado right out. Okay, so this is now to your liking. I'm just gonna add red onion. And I'll start with like a little bit at first, and then if I feel like it needs more, I'll just add more. And we're gonna do Roma tomatoes, just like finely diced. We're gonna squeeze half a lime. And then if you need more, of course, add more. A little pepper and some salt. And then just go ahead, mix that in. And obviously the tomatoes have a lot of water in them, so that's why I add a little bit at a time. Because remember last time when I fucked it up? Whatever. And quick taste. That's perfect. Just a little, like, pinch of pepper. The tiniest squeeze of more lemon. I mean lime. What? She's perfect, guys. She's perfect. I'm going to warm up some tortillas on the grill, and then we are ready to eat some tacos.
Are you even Latina if you don't flip tortillas with your fingers? Just kidding. Obviously use tongs, but my nails count as tongs.
Okay, I've cut up some of our meat, so now we can start putting the taco together. I'm going to take some of this delicious meat. I'm so excited because when I was cutting into it, it was just smooth. I already know it's going to be like butter in your mouth. And I'm going to add a little of our fresh guac. My camera cut off, but I was trying to say save your red onion and your tomatoes so you can put it right in your taco, but I'm just going to go ahead and take a bite because I'm so hungry. Guys, it's so good. The tortilla is warm. The meat is melt in your mouth. If you've never had Wagyu beef, you need to invest in it. I know it's a little more pricey, but it's so worth it. The beef is so good. It's so fresh. And then the guac is just giving that freshness too. Make sure to comment below if you guys are going to make this recipe or what you think. I really hope you guys try this. It's delicious. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye. Guys, guys. Is it on? Okay. Right into our. You give me another one. And here I. Maybe I'm. Blah, blah, blah. Right here goes. So if you're following this recipe. No! Wash my hands. I'm just gonna clean up really quick, and we are gonna what? Toast some of. I mean, what? I'm gonna warm up some tortillas on the. Oh, I can't put this on. I can't put these on. It's too hot. Oh my god, I can't put this glove on. I really can't. It's not a joke. Am I sweating? Am I sweaty? Yes.